Hello, good morning friends. Today we will see uh, Moodle tutorials about gradebook setup. In gradebook setup, which is required for NBA accreditation to find out direct attainment and indirect attainment of particular subject. This assignment or this tutorial is used to demonstrate how one can add direct attainment and indirect attainment inside the Moodle. Here you can see in direct attainment we have given 70% weightage and indirect attainment we have given 30% weightage. In indirect attainment there is test, assignment, term work, so its total should be 30% weightage, while external assessment there is a midterm examination and final university examination which is having 70% weightage. So addition of 70 plus 30, 100%, and you need to convert that 100% into 70%, which is for direct attainment. Then there are indirect attainment level is of 30% weightage, and in that you can add student feedback, guest lecture, extracurricular activity. That part you can add. So addition of all these three, it is in the weightage of 30%, so that there is total 100% weightage for this attainment, direct 70 and indirect. So next we will see how we can do it in Moodle itself, what kind of setting is required. So for that purpose I have already logged in my Moodle account, and after logging in Moodle, so I need to go for my subject. Yes, it is industrial engineering, and then I need to click on gradebook. So grade setting, grades, and do a turn editing on for that purpose. Okay, so once I do turn editing on, so I can see grade grader reports. In the grader reports, just below the setup there is gradebook setup. Just below the setup there is a gradebook setup button. Just click on it. So what I will do, I already added one test, so I will delete that test so that I can add fresh item inside my coursework. So for that purpose we need to go again to dashboard, then select our subject, then turn editing on, so that you can do it, turn editing on, so that you can delete your subject. Delete, I want to delete, so edit, go in edit. Okay, so likewise I have deleted. Again go in gradebook setup. Now I need to add category inside this gradebook setup. So one need to click to add category button. So there are three buttons. One is add grade items, another one is add category. You can also add outcome items also there, but today in this demonstration we will add only add category and add grade items we will do. So one need to click the button to add category. So click on add category button. Once you click on add category, you will see a different window which guide you how to do a different setting. So here click here, that is direct attainment, one need to add. So once you add direct attainment, then go for different button for show more, that is weighing mean of grades, that we need to select. Give maximum weightage, that is 70%, but we will do that setting afterward, and just go for, so give maximum and minimum, you can write here also. Then show more, in which you can say click on weighted grade item. The parents category should be under subject, that you can see. Then go for save change. We will do editing after we add this item category. Go for save change. Yeah, save change button. Right now, after doing save change, we can go in edit button, and from that we can do our changes. So click on edit button here. We can add more items under direct category. So if you remember, in direct category, direct attainment, there are internal assessment. So whatever the item we are right now adding, that comes under internal assessment. So minimum and maximum grade we have given 10.00 and 4.00. It should be under direct attainment. So make save change. We can change the weighing factor, that we will see afterward. First we will add few more items, so add grade items. So here you can see assignment number 2, 10.00 and 4.00. Save changes. Now we can change the weightage by going in edit button, edit setting, and if you go in a parents category, you can see here it is 100% weightage. It should not be like that, it is 0.5, and go for save change. So likewise you can do changes in another item. Yeah, so like this we made a changes. Okay, Then we need to add few more atoms with same way as we added two atoms. What are the extra atoms that we will see? So let's add few more atoms inside the direct attainment. So few more atoms like PBL, that is project based learning. In this project based learning, we can give maximum grading and minimum grading. Okay. Then add more grade atoms. So here you can add mini projects for third year engineering for mechanical. Okay, 10.00 and 4.00 maximum and minimum grades, and it is under direct attainment. Do save change. So we can make edit setting and give the weightage of 0.5. Save change. Then add two more atoms in add grade category. Assignment, term work is there, which is again internal assessment 10.00 and 4.00. Make save change. Do edit setting and change the weightage 0.5. Save change. Then add few more atoms. So I can add assessment number 2 and 3. So go for add grade atoms. Assessment number 2 and assessment number 2, which is having maximum grade 10.00, minimum 4.00, and it is under direct attainment. Go save change. Go for edit and change the weightage from 1 to 0.5. So here under parent category, weightage 0.5, save change. So we need to add one more. So add grade. Then here assignment number 3, (10.00) and 4.00, that is maximum minimum grade. Go here in direct attainment, save change. So these are the 6 atoms we have did. Just change the weightage. So all these 6 atoms are inside the internal assessment, which is of 30% weightage. So again I am showing this part to understand that what we are doing. Okay, so all the atoms we have added up to this tutorial, it is under internal assessment. So I need to add one more category under direct attainment, that is called as internal assessment, and I need to give weightage of that internal assessment 30%. So I will going to add that button by clicking add atoms. So let's see how we can do that part. So it is one kind of attempt to know that how we can do it in Moodle, direct attainment and indirect attainment. So teacher is having a freedom to do changes according to his or her subject. So let's see how we can do. So first add category, that is internal assessment. Click on add category, internal internal assessment, which is the weightage of having 30%. So minimum and maximum grade you can do changes afterward. First save the change. So it is 0.3 weightage, it is under direct attainment. So save it. Yes, that's great. So do a edit setting so that you can change it, the highest and minimum, lowest mark and weightage. So go in category total, give maximum marks, that is 30, and minimum marks is 10. Save changes. Okay, go for edit setting and go in a parents category and change the weightage of 0.3. Yes, save change. So this is the way we have added different atoms under indirect assessment, and we need to add next part, that is direct assessment. So go for button, add category. You can add category, that is external assessment. Here in total category you can change, and it should be under direct attainment. Save change. So you can edit weightage and all that parameter after making save change. So click on edit button, edit setting, and go in parent category, and here also in category total 10.00. So sorry, it is 70% and 30%. So 70, that is the maximum grade, and 30 is minimum grade, and weightage is, you can say, 0.7. So we need to add grade atom inside the external assessment. How we can do? So click the button, add, just below it, just below, come below, add grade atoms, yeah, and here we can write midterm examination, midterm exam, which is external assessment by university. Then you can give it maximum and minimum grade points 10.0, so it's 30 and 10. In parents category it should be under subject, that is industrial engineering. Okay, then we need to add one more atom, that is final university exam. So go for edit button and change the setting, or just check whether it is proper or not by clicking on edit button. Okay, otherwise you can add one more items, that is grade book items, that is final university exam, of 70%, that is maximum grade, and 30% is minimum grade, so 70/30, and it should be under external assessment. Okay, so this is the way how we add internal assessment and external assessment. Then we need to go for save change, whether it is proper or not. If it is okay, go for next. Again we need to go for add category, which is used to add indirect attainment point. So go for add category, yeah. Then here you can say indirect attainment or assessment. I have written by mistake, but it is indirect attainment. So you can give weightage of 30%. It should be under subject, yeah. Save change, and you can give the weightage by doing edit button, yeah. You can see it is indirect assessment 100, so go for edit button, edit setting, and check the, here you can see 30.00, 10.00, and in parent category you can choose the weightage. Okay, so here do a save change, it is under industrial engineering. Okay, now we need to add the grade items inside this indirect attainment. So go for add grade item. The first grade item is student feedbacks, so that student feedback you need to add. Ten 10.00 and 4.00, it is under indirect attainment. Do a save change. Okay, so 2 more points we need to add under this indirect attainment. So again I will add one more point, which is nothing but the feedback of guest lecture, workshop, and training for that particular course. If you will going to arrange a guest lecture for industrial engineering, workshop for industrial engineering, or training for workshop engineering, then you can add this item inside the grade item or under the indirect assessment. You can give maximum minimum grade 10.00 and 4.00, and it should be under indirect attainment. Save change. So there are 2 items we have added. Go for add more items. So add grade items, click on that button, and here you need to add students extracurricular activity. That is also important parameter to assess any kind of students. 10.00 and 4.00 are maximum and minimum grade. Then here it should be under indirect attainment. Save change. So likewise we have added 3 points under indirect assessment or attainment, that is students feedback of guest lecture and extracurricular activity. So it's all about how we can do our gradebook setting in Moodle so that we can calculate the attainment level. Once again you can see what we did in this assignment. We did some setting in a gradebook about direct attainment and indirect attainment. In direct attainment it is 70% weightage, in which there are two items, internal assessment and external assessment. Internal assessment is a weightage of 30% and external assessment is weightage of 70%. And indirect attainment, there is a weightage of 30%, in which student feedbacks, guest lecture feedback and extracurricular activity of the students. So it's all about how to do gradebook setup inside the Moodle. Hope you will like this and you can implement. There is a teacher's freedom how to do or how to give weightage for a particular subject. Thank you and have a nice day.